So from history, one of the most common things about the history of most parts of Africa and the entire place where we are in Nigeria is that there are indigenous people to most of the areas where people are living today. You know, and so you are closer to a particular people than others. So the fact that we have Yoruboid names, you know, that I'm Tunde and my father's name is Asaju or Aswaju Ija, does not automatically make me a Yoruba any more than somebody who is answering Joseph Johnson is either a Jew or English, or anybody that is answering Hamid Abubakar is Arab, because they get close. If, for example, I was born close to the Federal Capital Territory today, I will most likely be a Gbagi, but my name could be Danladi Abubakar, and I may not even necessarily be a Muslim. I may belong to another religion, another faith, but definitely I'm in another ethnic group. So let us not say that because somebody answers a name that is close to something, then it means they are automatically. You know, I always tell people who bring this argument, I say to them that our former president, Goodluck Jonathan, was known as Goodluck Jonathan before we knew that he's a Bele and he was Azikiwe, but globally he was known as Goodluck Jonathan. Now, if I told somebody that the name of my president back then is Goodluck Jonathan, he's most likely going to think that either I'm from England or I'm from the Caribbean, because that's what the name almost connotes, but that will be wrong, you know. So let's not take things let's not heat up the polity by saying that, oh, return my name. No, this is the name that I was given, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm not about to change it because I haven't done anything to soil my name. So if you have superior arguments to the story and the history that I have given, please, let's start this conversation. I don't want a situation where our children walk out somewhere in Yoruba land and they are insulted or they are berated. You know, I want them to be able to establish, if truly we are Yorubas, let them be able to establish with historical facts that they are Yorubas. Otherwise, let them remain Yagba, let them remain Owe, let them remain Bunu, let them remain Ijumu, let them remain Oworo, and be proud that although they might be a microcosm, they might come from a very small ethnic group, yet they are unique in their identity. This is the purpose of my identity affirmation. It's not to play dirty politics. It is just to establish facts. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless you. Maybe there will be reasons from all your interactions for me to do another video. Let's have this discussion and let's be happy doing it. Have a wonderful day.